Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to show drop-down if we click the main category like this. And the main category that has no product will go to their own page, main page. Okay, and this one it will show all products for this main category. Okay, let's check it out. First thing that we have to do is delete the hover in this block code. In previous video we showed the drop down if we hover the main category, but now we delete the hover and we comment the block code in here, the display code. Then in this part we delete the tag A and we using the button in here. We make the type in here, type button, and value is our link, our main category link. Then in here, after we loop our subcategory, we put all products in here. Then it will go to the link, the main category link. Then in here we add jQuery script and we make our jQuery code, our own jQuery code. In this part it will check if the children category in here it has one children, just one. We will go to the main link, and it will return. If we put the return here in here, this block code it will not execute. Then in this part we check if this class, we find the subcategory and we check the CSS for display. Is that equal to none? We will change the display to block. But if the display is blocked, we will change the display to none. Okay, that's it. It's so easy, right? Then there is the result. If we click the main category that has no product, we'll go to their own main page, and if this part like this, makanan and minuman, if we go to the mentega, we'll go to the mentega page, mentega subcategory. If we wanna go to the main page, we just click the all products. Then there you go. Okay, that's it. It's so simple. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you very much, and see you guys in the next video.